Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to another 1 minute of motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Now, I'd love to work with you. If you want to come over to my calendar, book your free 30-minute call exclusively one-to-one, come over to ldlcall.com, find a time slot for you, and let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote. Don't half-ass anything. Whatever you do, always use your full ass. There's a sense of purpose when you do things, when you work hard at something and you can finally see the end result. The mission in front of you, the journey, whatever you have going on, just do everything you have to, or just don't do it at all. Half-assed efforts will bring you half-assed results, and you don't have time to waste with that, do you?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.